welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive across Vermont and New Hampshire with our final destination at I-95. We begin on US Highway 2 at Vermont Mile 12 as we enter the town of North Hero. North Hero is the shire town, which elsewhere would be called a county seat, of Grand Isle County. The town was named for Revolutionary War hero Ethan Allen, although nothing specifies why they decided on the name of Hero rather than using his actual name. There's no town of Allen anywhere in Vermont. North Hero had 939 residents as of the 2020 census, and the town occupies the entirety of North Hero Island as well as several other small islands. Since we're only going to be on US 2 for a short distance in this series, let's talk about it for a minute. As we finished up the US 11 series, I mentioned that we ended at the western terminus of US 2, but that's not entirely correct. US 2 exists in two disjointed sections that would otherwise form a complete highway, but Canada gets in the way. The western portion, known as the High Line, travels 2,115 miles from Everett, Washington to Michigan's Upper Peninsula. The eastern segment, which we're on, runs from Rouse's Point, New York, 460 miles to Houlton, Maine, which is pretty close to the northeast corner of the country. And Houlton is our actual destination since it's also the northern terminus of I-95. Here we jump over to the next island, which is often called Grand Isle, but officially named South Hero Island. The island is the largest in Lake Champlain within the state of Vermont. The town that occupies the northern half of the island is also called Grand Isle. The town of Grand Isle was originally part of the town of South Hero, which occupies the southern half of the island, but was subdivided in 1798. The town was then called Middle Hero until 1810, when the name was changed to Grand Isle. The town had a population of 2,086 as of the 2020 census. On the right is Vermont Route 314, Allen Road, which extends to the northwest to Gordon's Landing, where the Cumberland Head Grand Isle Ferry connects to the state of New York. Now the rain is really starting to come down hard, and at this point we were just trying to get to our stop for the night in Burlington, hoping the weather would be better the next day. A sign points to the left to Grand Isle State Park, and this is sounding more and more like coastal Louisiana, where we have a barrier island called Grand Isle and its namesake state park on the eastern edge of the island. But we're in Vermont, 1,400 miles from the other Grand Isle State Park. We're now approaching mile 27 on US 2, and the town line where we'll enter South Hero, so we'll conclude our video here. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.